Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well, and this webinar and analysis is brought to you by GTC Markets. I hope you love our services, and I hope and request you to please subscribe and like our YouTube and Facebook channel as well. Okay, for now I'll start with AUD CAD and see what options do we have. Okay, in the AUD CAD on the H8 candle, what do we have? We have a sell signal, and the signal represents a downward movement of the momentum candle. Okay, now you can see that this pair or this candle has closed below the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, so you can expect the market to move in a downward direction. But what do we have? In the higher time frame? Let's go into H12 and see. This is H12. See, this candle did not close below the middle Bollinger Bands, so it can mean that we have still an upward movement prevailing. So what we can do is, I will love to draw a trend line over here, something at this place, and if we are below this trend line, you can say 26 pips or 25 pips, then we can come into a good selling position. Or else I'll place my VPOCs over here, okay, and I can come into a selling position somewhere from this level. Okay, so what options do I have? I can place my sell order over here, or I can come into a selling once I have broken this lows. Okay, keep this in mind. And the next one is Euro NZD. What do we have in the Euro NZD? Okay, let's see. In the Euro NZD, I have this momentum trade to the lower side. Okay, see, it's below the midline of the Bollinger Bands, so this is not pleasing for me because I know the market movement is in towards the downside as it is below the midline of the Bollinger Band. So what I'll do is, I won't look into it. Let's see in the H8, anything over here. See, we are below this level. Come into H12, we are still below, so I won't come in this. Okay, now let's move towards pound New Zealand dollar. Okay, now see, that's the reason why I always say you that if you are above the midline of the Bollinger Band, then you should be in the buying position, and if you are below the midline of Bollinger Band, then you should be in selling position. Can you see this? Clear break above, close above the high of the Bollinger Band midline, and same over here, and same over here, and same over here. So what you can do now is, you can place your VPOCs over here at this level, over here, and you can just wait for the market to move like 50 pips towards the downside, and you can place your buy entry over here at this place. Because if you have a look over here, this is the recent high that has been made, and the market will have a short-term downfall over here as well. Okay, so this is the place where you can take your trade. So I would suggest you to be in a buying position once you have reached over here, or else if you'll go into an alternative scenario, this is a trend line that can be drawn over here, a supportive trend line. If you have a break below this level, you can come into selling position. Okay, so trade plan will be like, you can have a buying position over here with stops at this level, at this support. Okay, and if you are breaking the support, you can come into a selling position. Okay, keep this in your mind. And the next one is New Zealand CAD. What do we have in the New Zealand CAD? Okay, see this New Zealand CAD, clear cut break below, close below of this middle Bollinger Band line, all were down. Then we have this guy over here, and we have this guy over here right now. So what we can do now, we'll place our VPOCs at this guy as well, and as this one as well, because both of these levels haven't been tested. So what we can do, we can place our sell entry at this place over here, and then we can expect the market to at least come 27 pips below. Okay, this is something we can do. And on the other hand, let's see what do we have in H12 as well. Yeah, same thing on the H12. let me drag this over here, this place. Okay, and the next one is New Zealand yen. Okay, what do we have over here? We had clear break below, close below the middle line of the Bollinger Band, and momentum trades as well. And this was a good trade as well over here, because if you will have a look over here, sorry, okay, we had a test of this level and a good selling position with 52 pips. So what do we have here at this place? Small doji type of candle, and I won't suggest you because it's exactly at the Bollinger Band mid level. Okay, so it's better to just skip this over here. Let's see on the H12 or H8, do we have anything? No. Okay, New Zealand dollar. What do we have in New Zealand dollar? New Zealand dollar, good momentum towards the downside, and if we can just come up below 9 or 10 pips, we can have a good sell entry over here, and the targets won't be more below than this level over here. So this is what you can do now, and look at the momentum is also towards the downside. Okay, this was for now in this momentum trades, and now in a couple of minutes I'll be uploading something regarding the VSA signals, and let's see what do we have in the daily chart. Yeah, we're down. Okay, this was for now, and I hope you have loved this. Wait, I need to show you something else as well. The USD CAD. I have been looking into this one. Yeah, okay, let me remove my VPOCs and momentums, and guys, do you see this is a classic pattern over here, found over here. Let me remove my Bollinger also. Okay, this was the trend line over here going towards the top, and this is you can say a double top formation. Okay, if you break below this level, you can have a good downward momentum, and this level over here, this neckline, also appears to be the low, or no, it is, I think it's a pivot point. Yeah, it's a pivot, it's a yearly pivot. Okay, so break below, close below the yearly pivot will obviously be a buying side for you. Okay, if you have this movement towards the downside, you can come into selling position, or else if you have movement somewhere over here, you have broken the highs of this ones, then you can expect the market to come in upward position. Okay, this was for now. I hope you guys have loved our services, and in a couple of minutes I will be uploading the analysis in Urdu language. Okay, thank you, have a good day.